When the police forward your case to the prosecutor's office with a recommendation for indictment, it's a critical turning point. Many people think the fight is already lost at this stage, but that's a misunderstanding. This is precisely when a strategic response becomes most important. The prosecutor reviews the entire case file from the police and makes an independent decision on whether to actually indict. This is your chance to present a new perspective and change the outcome. The key is to meticulously analyze the evidence, witness statements, and legal arguments submitted by the police. We look for inconsistencies, procedural errors, or alternative interpretations that the police may have overlooked. For example, in a theft or fraud case, was the intent truly criminal, or was there a misunderstanding? In an assault case, was it self-defense? The prosecutor's review is an opportunity to reframe the narrative based on a deep legal analysis, not just the initial police report. This requires building a logical defense and preparing for potential scenarios, whether it's aiming for a non-indictment decision or preparing for a favorable position in court. Our approach is built on handling each step of this process with direct involvement and a forward-thinking strategy. We don't rely on a success fee model for criminal cases. This is a deliberate choice. It ensures our judgment isn't clouded by a potential payout, allowing us to focus purely on providing the best possible defense at every stage, from the initial investigation to the final verdict. It's about responsible advocacy, not a transaction. This structure also means that initial consultation fees are integrated into the overall retainer, so you aren't double billed as your case progresses. We avoid the model of just collecting an upfront fee and doing the bare minimum. This comprehensive approach extends to all legal areas. In civil matters like debt collection or damages claims, we don't just file a lawsuit. We design the case from the start with the end goal in mind: actual recovery. This means assessing the other party's assets and planning for enforcement from day one. For real estate disputes, having a certified realtor's perspective allows us to analyze the contract structure and property rights in a way that goes beyond typical legal review. For family law matters like divorce or child custody, we focus on creating stable, long-term agreements that prevent future conflict rather than fueling emotional battles. Ultimately, whether it's a criminal charge, a business dispute, a family issue, or an immigration-related administrative action, the principle is the same. A legal case is a complex journey, not a series of disconnected events. Having a lawyer who handles your case directly, from the first call to the final resolution, and who prepares every case as if it were going to court tomorrow, makes all the difference. This commitment to thorough, realistic, and responsible representation is the foundation of how we operate at Law Office Asin. Thank you for watching.